Here is how you can do a video call on your Android phone. So let me talk about it and explain how you can do this. If it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you have to just use some sort of client or app to make a video call. By default, it kind of depends on your phone, really, but the built-in messages app or the built-in phone app usually doesn't have like the video call built into it. So we need to use some kind of third-party client. Great choices include Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and the Zoom app, right? So it kind of depends on which one you want to use and which app the other person actually uses. But a lot of people, for example, have the Google account sign into their phone, right? So if I just you can see that the Google Meet it might even be pre-installed on your device. And if you're using Gmail or a Google account for Maps and Google Drive and so on, it's going to be very simple to go with the Google Meet, right? So you can open it up, and if you don't have it, just go through with the Play Store and download it in here. And you have the ability to you probably are going to be signed in. If not, sign in with your Google account, start a new call, and you can connect with basically any person using Google account for their Meet, right? So that's how you can start a video call. Obviously, the other person has to have the same app, so that's something which you can do. Then you can as well do it through other means, as I said, at the Microsoft Teams. But for that, you need a Microsoft account. And you can also use the Zoom app, but there you need the Zoom account, which also allows you to sign in with Google. But yeah, it's on a different platform. So these are like the three most popular apps for in-depth video calls. Outside of that, if you mean just like some texting apps, a lot of people use that. You can use for the basic video calls, you can use WhatsApp, Instagram, and even Messenger. Like WhatsApp is also a very solid choice where you can just go in here, get inside, tap to the person that you want to video call with, and you can tap on the icon right there to start a video call. The difference in here is that, for example, for WhatsApp, you are using your phone number to sign in, right? So it's much simpler to talk to other people and have video calls. With Messenger and Facebook and Instagram, you obviously use the account for social media, right? So it's basically all about meeting the other person on the platform that you both use and being okay with the account that you have to have in order to use any of those platforms. So I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be, right? So that's gonna be about it. Basically, let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.